Here we are, the perfectly lovely greenwood canoe that needs new canvas, and I'm trying to get the gunwales off. But unfortunately, perfectly good gunwales have to be destroyed to get them off because the previous person who restored this boat decided to use steel construction screws and then just covered up with a bit of wood putty. So here we go. I am just going to try and cut everywhere I find it. There's a screw holding something together here. Seems to be a few extra screws on this one. And just get out the hammer, smashing pieces of it. And we'll simply take the vice grips. And that is why we do not use steel construction screws, because not only have they damaged the outwales, they have also damaged some of the rib tops.